You're a YouTuber and you're watching this particular video, this video is for you, okay? First, hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another man blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. So as it stands now on YouTube, you need to learn to treat YouTube as a business and not a side hustle. A lot of people are treating YouTube as a side hustle. That is why they are not really putting in the work that they are supposed to put on their YouTube channel. But let me tell you something, YouTube is a business, okay? In as much as you have goods and services to take to your place of market or anywhere you want to go and sell it, and if you want people to really patronize you, you must put out good stuff there, and if possible at affordable prices. Now this is how YouTube is. So YouTube should be treated as business and not a side hustle. Yes, I know a lot of people come to YouTube to say, oh, don't use YouTube as your full-time job, use YouTube as a side hustle. They are trying to tell you that yes, you can make money from YouTube, but don't just fully rely on YouTube until you start making something out of YouTube and you feel like, okay, this thing can really work for you as an individual before you can take YouTube as a full-time job. They are not trying to tell you that you should not put all your trust or all your income on YouTube end. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. So as an individual that wants to make it out here on YouTube, you must learn to treat YouTube as your business, okay? You must learn to take YouTube to the next level. Yes, if you're not making money yet on YouTube, you can be putting in your work, your hard work on YouTube and still be doing what you are doing, like still be doing that your normal job, that your normal business that you are doing, but be putting your time, your effort, your energy and anything you need to put on YouTube. So if you're fond of putting YouTube as a side hustle and not a business, you are wrong. Now let's take for example, if you're a business owner, and if I am a business owner and you come to get something from me and I give you something that it is not good, I give you something that is bad, will you come and buy for me again next time? The answer is simply no, okay? The answer cannot be yes. The answer is no, because what I sold for you is bad. So you can just be like a one-time customer to me and that is all. But if you patronize me and I treat you well and I give you the exact thing that you are looking for, when you're coming back to the market in another time to come and look for me, to come and buy something, you will look for me. Except if I'm not there, then you're going to patronize another person. So that is how YouTube is. If you are bringing something that has value on YouTube, you are selling products that people are buying, that people can subscribe to, definitely people are going to subscribe to your products. And if your products are good products enough, people will not only buy or subscribe to your product, but they will come back over time for them to be able to watch your videos and see exactly what you are doing on YouTube. You understand? So you need to learn to treat YouTube as a business. There is a lot of money here to be made on YouTube. A lot of people are making money. You can also be among those people that will be making money. The moment you start seeing YouTube as your business, you will know that everything you are bringing on the table of YouTube should be something spectacular, should be something that can audience, should be something that, okay, I think I can come back and watch. Don't be that kind of person that will bring product that at the end of the day, only one person will come and buy, or when people buy those products, they are not longer coming back to watch those or buy those products from you again. What am I trying to say? Some persons just have one viral video and they get a lot of subscribers from that particular one viral video, and they don't get to see any of those people that subscribe to that particular viral video coming to watch their other videos. Why? Because they only put out what those people can buy, and the moment those people buy, they are not seeing such kind of products again on your channel. They are definitely not coming back to watch. So if you have a product that is working for you on your channel, work with that particular product. Okay, so YouTube is a business. YouTube should be treated as a business. YouTube should not be treated as a side hustle. YouTube should be what you're putting in your time, your effort, your energy, and anything you want to put in just to make sure that your YouTube channel works. It should not just be what you just want to do anytime you want to do it. I noticed that a lot of people that subscribe to my class, one thing that has really been dragging them backward is that they are treating YouTube as a side hustle. They are not treating YouTube as a business. It's when they come in contact with me, they'll be like, Sonia, I need to now treat YouTube as a business. There's a lot of money here for every one of us to make. The only thing you need to do is strategize, know what to do, know the right thing to do, know the right videos to bring, know what is working for Mr. A, know what is working for Mr. B, and what can you add from that Mr. A and Mr. B to make that thing work for you? Okay, YouTube should be treated as business. YouTube should be what you should look up to as, like I said in one of my videos, like your pension, your gratuity, or anything you people call it. You know, everybody have their own ways of calling it in their own country. So the moment you will start taking your YouTube channel serious, the moment YouTube will also start taking you serious. So don't think that the algorithm will come here and ignore Sonia that is trying her possible best to post her content every day, film, edit, and post, and they will abandon that Sonia and come and take you that you just come here probably once in 2 years, or once in 1 month, or once in, if God knows, you post one video and you disappear for so long. You understand? So stop crying that you're not having subscribers. Stop crying that you're not having watch hour, and start treating YouTube as a business. And trust me, if you start treating YouTube as a business, you will see a whole lot of changes. I know what I'm talking about, okay? I knew when I was treating YouTube as a side hustle, because I feel like I have a job that was paying me, and of which in my mindset, in my mentality, the job is not really paying me very well. But for now, this is what I can hold up to. You understand? But the moment I started treating YouTube as a business, a whole lot changed. And you can also see that particular change on your YouTube channel. So all you need to do is to put in your time, your efforts, your energy, your strategies, anything you need to do for you to be able to magnet those your audience out there. Trust me, your YouTube channel is going to work out for you. And if you're still there, you are still doubting, you've not even started a YouTube journey, and you kind of telling yourself, oh, you can't do this. See, that's why Sonia is here for you, okay? I coach, I do channels and coaching reviews where I go into your channel personally, check what is working and what is not working, and how we can come together, put hands together, and make your channel work. That is what I am in for. Even if you've not had any channel at all, you've not built a channel, you've not opened a channel at all, we build channel from scratch, and yours will definitely not be different. I know how many people that's registered on my class and they tell me I've not had any channel, and I told them it's not an issue. We build a channel from scratch and know how to position you for you to be able to make it out there. YouTube is a very simple, sweet, and easy journey. But if you know the strategy, you're going to crack the code as easy as possible. If I know most of the strategies I know now, I would have cracked the code for 3 years. So now you have the opportunity to crack the code now. And I always tell you, there is nothing you spend on your YouTube channel, there is nothing you invest on your YouTube channel that is definitely going to be a waste. It is never going to be a waste. That is the honest truth. Anything you invest, you're going to repeat in 100-fold. So if you want to join the coaching class and review, I want to take YouTube as your business, check in the comment section. I'll be pinning my email there, faithonoja3195@gmail.com, and I will also be putting this in the description. Mail me, tell me, oh, I want to take my YouTube channel to the next level. Let's join hands together and take your channel to the next level. At least, even if you're not making anything, even if it's $100 is something, even if it's $50, even if it's $200, it will add up to that particular thing you are doing as a side hustle. Probably you have a job or stuff like that. And if you're a sit-at-home mom, you are a sit-at-home dad, you've been looking for job east, west, north, and south, you've not got this, an opportunity for you to grab this opportunity and thank me later. Anyways, thank you so much for staying to me to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section, how have you been treating YouTube as a business, or you've been treating it as a side hustle? I really want to know in the comment section. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye for now. I love you guys. Mwah.